Why you not living your life how you want to live it?
I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared people gonna start talking shit about me.
Fool, if you don't start living for yourself, I'm gonna start talking shit about you. You sound soft as boy.
How?
What do you mean you scared people gonna start talking shit about you?
I mean, I am. Do you want me to lie?
No matter what you do in life, people gonna talk bad about you. If you talk to zero women, they gonna say you zesty. If you talk to multiple women, they gonna say you trying too hard not to be zesty. If you chase the money, they gonna say all you care about is money. If you don't chase the money, they gonna say you got no hustle. You broken bummy. What the fuck is we talking about?
So how do I deal with that?
By living your life exactly how you want to live it, you idiot. And you forget people after they do you wrong, they gonna say you don't stand on business. If you don't forget people after they do you wrong, they gonna say you holding grudges. If you want to be in a relationship with somebody with a high body count, they gonna say you don't respect yourself. But if you don't want to be in a relationship with somebody because they got a high body count, they gonna say you childish. You can't fucking win.
Okay, but why is that though? Like, why?
Because that's just life. You're gonna be wrong in somebody's eyes no matter what you do. It don't matter if you're doing the best thing in the world or you're doing the worst thing in the world. It's always gonna be somebody that dislike it and talk shit about it.
So basically, you saying I should
Do what you want to do, because no matter what you do, people gonna talk shit about what you do. And if people gonna talk shit about what you do, no matter what you do, you might as well do what you want to do. And have people talk shit about what you're doing because you know what you're doing.